going to take some of this GBT long. I'm going to try this and then just give it like 35-40 cents off this moving average, and try some of this GBT. I'm only going to give it 30 cents, 35 cents, and see if it works. Take it off the high of the day. Not going to give it much, okay? And Amazon puts at 1800. I'm going to take some of those. It's a little early in the day to take them, a little early because it's gapped up, but I feel this is going to roll down. My pattern is it's up $75, and I feel it's going to relax back down to the 1755, 1760. So I'm taking those now. I'm gonna just take an early entry and knock them out and do it. So I'm in. I like the formation, and that's that. So like the Q's rolling over a little bit. Okay, our stop is at 1770. No questions asked. Okay, you get out. It crosses that with a hard body. You get out. Okay. Period. No riding it, no whatever, okay? Good. So we're up, what, $3-4 already, right? Guys, I'm going to sell half right now, just because I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to keep a little bit here to see if it continues this candle down. But I want my first trade to be green, and I'm getting out of my GBT right now. I'm gonna make a whole 17 cents. I don't like it, so I'm getting out of that, and I'm gonna hold the rest of my puts here. But I just want to take a little money off the table. Let's just start off Monday green. Yeah, I'm getting out. I'm getting out of this. So it's a good start of December, right? Excuse me, guys. Okay, here we go. We got a 5 reversal. Looks a lot cleaner now, doesn't it? So we'll see if this can hold the 279, since it's the most powerful number right now for the SPY. Can it hold the 279? Do we take this long? It's got a double bar on the 5. Pretty powerful, but can it hold that? All right. What's our out? Our out would be 278, probably a little lower than that, 278, 80, 66. And our in would be about 279.05. All right. You like it? Well, let's just see if it even happens. Is it going to happen? Is it going to, this candle going to be higher than this one? Are we going to have the market take off, or is it going to go sideways? Are we in chop? Seems like to me we're still retracing back from that massive, huge run up of 450. We're down below 300 now in the Dow. So that's continuously fading. The SPY was up $4.48, so we're sliding down $1.40 already from the top. So this is working. You guys want to take the calls with me? Let's go the 70 delta. Which ones are those? Okay, that's really good too. Do you want to take it, or do you want to wait? All right, let's yeah, SPY calls the 278s, right? All right, I'm gonna put my stop. Let's see here. I'm gonna just split it. I'm not going the low of the day. I'm gonna go just the bottom of that wick in that candle. I don't want to give it all that room. Okay. Now you guys could put your stop at break even or 4 cents above it, 5 cents above it. You could not lose in this trade, correct? So you can't lose. There it is. If you wanted to just put it at break even, or 5 cents. It's your call. You should be up 15, 20 cents in your options, maybe even 25 cents, 20 cents. You guys are in the same ones I am, hopefully. If you're not, yeah. So we're up. So let's split that in half, and let's not lose more than 15 cents of this profit, okay? And let this thing just continue upward. It's going to break the 50 cents, which is a huge number. It's the fib of the play right now, of that gap. Do you notice that? So if you broke that whole line down of that move, it's 50% right there. It needs to break this 50 cents. If it does, it's going to probably go all the way to the top. It's struggling right there, but there we go. So if it can hold 279.50, I'll stay in. If it doesn't, I'll take my profit. I'm going to roll it a 10 minute just to keep myself in the trade. My line is still there. And if it can hold this 279.50, I will stay in the trade. If not, I'm going to sell half my contracts just to take the profit, and then let the trade continue. So 279.50 is my half sell out. But we already looked like we were in a little earlier than the pivot usually happens. But this is good. So you guys are really profitable. This is a great trade. If you look at the 10, that is a nice reversal pattern with the exhaustion candle. Look for those. That's what we dream for. This is the money. This gets you out of the garage. So I'm taking half my profit right now. That doesn't mean everybody get out. It just means I want to take my profit. I got a bunch of these puppies. So I'm going to take half my profit just because there'll be 3 trades green, and then I can manage the rest. But you see the whole market did these nice little pull-ups. I don't know how long they're going to last. I'm going to sell the rest of my contracts right now on the SPY. So I'm out of this trade. It could continue up. It's probably fine. I'm just going to take my profit and call it a good trade. All right.